Okay, let's get started. I'm going to show you today how to use the database JSTOR on Cal State Long Beach's database library website. First, I will type in Beachboard on Google, select it. Since I've already signed in to the Beachboard server, I will select on Cal State Long Beach, links for the library. Now that I'm on the library page, I will select Research, Tools, and then Databases. Once I get to databases, it'll take me to the page where all the databases that Cal State Long Beach students can access. There are over 235 different databases. The one I'm looking for is JSTOR, and that begins with a J. Select, and there it is. Select. JSTOR is useful for historians at Cal State Long Beach. It allows you to search through monographs and journal articles published by historians throughout the world. One topic I'm currently doing research for is the Industrial Revolution. Specifically, child labor. I want it to focus in factories in the country of Great Britain. So you can narrow down your search with added fields. Search. That will give me 3,000 different articles to look through. It's a lot. So I will select down to subject, as you can see here. Show more. This will help narrow down my topic. I'm going to select on history. Scroll back up to the top. Update my results. And now I have 1,600 articles to look through. Much more manageable. First one does not meet my conditions. It says Ontario. The next one, however, Rehabilitating the Industrial Revolution. Maxine Berg. This is the journal name. The Economic History Review. This is the volume. The year it was published. And the pages. Topics inside of the article are the British Industrial Revolution, child labor, and technological innovation. All 3 points that I am looking for. I'll download my PDF. It'll ask me to open it right here at the bottom. Allow if you trust the website. And there it is. JSTOR is crucial for Cal State Long Beach historians, that it allows them to research academic journal articles and monographs about essentially any period of history. These journal articles and monographs are extensively researched and well cited, allowing the students to implement other research into their work, from investigation and other searches using the JSTOR website database. I hope this was helpful. I hope you use JSTOR and all the other databases that you as a student have access to through paying your tuition at Cal State University Long